So the trip itself is done. We've done 4 parks in this trip, but we're gonna finish up with something pretty fun. A German fun fair here at Schützenfest in Hannover. It's my first German fair. I've only been to Danish fairs, which suck. And these guys, they have some experience. Are you guys excited for this trip?
Definitely.
Yeah.
My first German fair was not a Pendulum.
Yeah, and that's a big one as well. This looks so nice.
That's the beauty of these German fairs. This will not exist in a Danish fair.
Nope.
Traveling breakdances are so much better than the session I once.
Yeah.
This one is, middle of the road of fun fair once.
It looked insane.
It is insane. But for example, rides like Dome Dancer, the tradition, that is even crazier than this one.
Yeah.
Still really fun.
Yeah.
One of the best flat rides on the trip. Yeah, definitely. Second best probably. So far, but
I will never ride one of these again though. Fuck this.
a credit.
This looks so cool. Okay, my first German dog ride. Oh, I can't even see the line. It's hard to hit. This is hard. But easy at the same time. It's weird. Whoa! I can see my laser now. I have to hit this, the blue, red, and green spots. Red is the best, I think. I love them. Oh, and listen to the music! This is awesome! I'm so bad. I am so bad at it. Wrecking Ralph is there too. That ride was so stupid, but so fun as well. I kind of loved it.
Det er det sidste gang, jeg nogensinde har gået.
Det kan også godt være det her for mig. Vi starter drop der. Wow! Det er dumt der. Wow! Det er meget skægt. Okay. Ej, den er meget griner, den der. Drifting coaster was super whack, but pretty fucking fun.
Yeah, super sketchy.
Incredible sketchy. But
It's super steep for
yeah,
like this.
And a little rough, but I mean, it's a pretty fun concept. I liked it.
Yeah.
Meter. Das war früher der 3-Meter-Turm in der Schule. Das waren 14 Meter mit Bremse. Jetzt machen wir 85 Meter ohne Bremse.
Hangover the tower that was so nerve-wracking. The operator, like, he's a bit of a cunt.
Right, was longer than 8 minutes.
Yeah, it took 8.5 minutes. Yeah, first to 40 meters, then drop, then to 85 meters, and then he just likes to hang there, constantly counts down, taking the piss out of you, thinking you're gonna drop, and no. And then it drops at the end. Terrifying, not very forceful though. It's not very thrilling. The thrill part is hanging up there, and it's terrifying. But the view over Hannover, fucking amazing.
It's definitely the least forceful fun time tower that I've ridden. Yeah, I mean both Highlander and 2 other traveling towers that I've ridden are more forceful than this.
Yeah.
But probably the most terrifying drop tower I've ever ridden.
Oh yeah, same. More terrifying than Nicolas, probably.
Yeah. By far.
Yeah. I hate this. One of the worst rides I've ever been on. Fucking hated it. It was uncomfortable as hell. Spun way too fast. It was so painful. I tried to hold on for dear life. I hated it. It hurt. It felt like I was gonna break my arm at one point. Worst ride I've ever been on.
I like it. I do like it. Yeah, I think it's super out of control. Actually, I should have been there right now because he opened the door and I thought the ride was over. But he was actually just letting me out.
He was letting a few people out that wanted to get off. I'm sorry, guys. That you follow me. I'm sorry.
That's just how it is. That's how it is.
I just remember that was so crazy.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you
Infinity is pretty fucking crazy. Of course, it feels sketchy, but it's a fun fair. That is insanely forceful. The hang time and floater is freaking nuts. The view is insane. The height is crazy. I love this ride. It's super fucking awesome.
The hang time is amazing. It's one of the best rides in the world for hang time.
It is.
Crazy positive.
Yeah, crushing.
Yeah, it's some of the hardest G's I've felt. It's up there with Vertigo for that.
Yeah, I would say it's probably as forceful as Vertigo, where
It is.
Vertigo is just more sustained.
Yeah, basically.
That sounds right.
Yeah.